Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Update Instagram and log into the account you want to use. Once done, enable camera, mic, and notifications so posting and replies work without interruptions. Now open the Threads tab or the Threads app. Tap Create to begin composing. You're doing this first because permissions and account links prevent problems later. Make sure your display name and handle are consistent with Instagram so followers recognize you immediately. That reduces friction when people click through. You now build the thread. Write a one-line hook that promises value and stops a scroll. Then break your idea into 2 to 6 concise follow-ups. Short sentences increase read-through. Add images or short video clips where an example or screenshot explains faster than text. Use 2 to 3 targeted hashtags and mention relevant accounts to trigger notifications. Once you draft each segment, read it aloud for flow, and reorder if a transition feels awkward. That keeps readers moving from start to finish. You're ready to publish. Choose a peak time for your audience and hit post. Immediately engage replies and comments during the first hour to boost visibility. Share the thread link to your Instagram story and pin the most valuable post to your profile if possible. Save drafts for reuse and note what performed best for future threads. If your thread won't publish, first check your internet and app version, then log out and back in. Those steps resolve most permission or syncing errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.